Cultural appropriation. It refers to disrespectful use of minority cultural elements by dominant cultural groups. In cultural appropriation, when these mainstream groups use the culture of these minority groups, they do not understand the meaning and the historical background represented by this cultural element. Without the permission of minority groups, they separate this cultural element from its original cultural background and rashly use it as a tool to make profit. My cultural background is Chinese culture. An example of this appropriation of Chinese culture is a dress launched by Dior in 2022. That is cultural appropriation of traditional Chinese dress, horse-face skirt. The horse-face skirt is a typical style of a traditional lady's long skirts that originated in the Ming Dynasty of China. The horse-face skirt is composed of two overlapping pieces of identical fabric, connected by a belt to form a wrap skirt wrapped around the waist. The style of this skirt is very unique and is very different from the style and the structure of Western modern skirt. In China, there are a large number of historical relics that record the horse-face skirt in ancient China. Except for China, there is no record of other countries having relative skirt style. But in 2022, a plaited skirt launched by Dior has the exactly same structure as the horse-face skirt. In the product description, it says that this skirt adopts the ethnic Dior silhouette and its brand new item. This is no mention at all that the design of this skirt was inspired by ancient Chinese horse-face skirt. This is absolutely ridiculous. As a native skirt shape, the horse-face skirt has been popular in China for more than 600 years. How did it become the ethnic silhouette of Dior? This is not simple plagiarism. This is very serious cultural appropriation. Dior, as a well-known international fashion brand, it tries to obliterate the source of the original culture and use its international influence to spread wrong information, which has caused great misleading to the public. If it's not stopped in time, we may lose our culture. This incident brings the anger of all Chinese people. Chinese international students in France staged a collective protest in front of the Dior store in Paris, shouting the slogan of "Please respect our culture and stop cultural appropriation. We need to let the world hear our voice." Cultures can be exchanged doesn't mean cultures can be appropriated. There are also some positive examples of cultural exchange here. In 2004, YSL's show was inspired by Chinese Changsheng. In the Louis Vuitton Spring Show in 2016, it was based on the Chinese Korean pattern. In 2022, a Chinese dragon pattern appeared on the There's One Norton show. These are all very good examples of cultural exchange. Designers blend Chinese art and Western fashion to create wonderful works. Every culture has its own uniqueness, and we are very supportive of exchange between different cultures. But the promise of communication is respect. When using the culture of other countries, the source must be marked, and we can learn from it instead of roping it. Before making artistic creation on other countries' culture, it must be recognized by other party. Only in this way can good cultural exchange be carried out, so that every unique culture in the world can be passed down and well developed.